Warm, crispy, and coated in cinnamon sugar, these aren't just any churros. They're chronic-style churro bites with the perfect infused finish. First, add milk, water, butter, sugar, and salt to a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until everything is melted and starts to simmer. Now, reduce the heat to low and stir in 1 cup of flour and the vanilla extract all at once. Keep stirring until the dough forms a ball and pulls away from the pan. Remove the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes before the next step. Heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough has cooled slightly, transfer it into a piping bag with a star tip. Pipe out 1-inch bites onto a parchment-lined tray or directly into your heated oil, cutting each one with scissors for that perfect shape. No piping bag? No problem. Just pinch off small pieces of dough and roll them into churro balls instead. They fry up just as crispy and delicious, and they're even easier to make. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes, flipping halfway until they're golden brown and crispy. Remove from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel-lined plate. To take these to the next level, drizzle infused olive oil over the top for that perfect finishing touch. Give them a gentle toss to make sure every bite gets a little extra magic. Now, for the best part, toss the warm churro bites in a cinnamon sugar mix until they're completely coated. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and finished chronic style. These churro bites are next level. Try them out, share them with your crew, and as always, enjoy responsibly.